Welcome to another unboxing, my friends. Today I'm checking out this HandFan battery-powered portable fan here. Okay, so we have some instructions in there, and here that is. This features a 4,000 mega amp hour battery, which can be used to charge your phone. Has this little base here with some felt pads, so you can just stick your fan in there. Okay, comes with a charging cable, and then here we have it. There is the fan. Has 6 different speeds. Puts out a decent amount of air there. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it has, looks like up to 5 speeds here. And we have our battery life indicator there on the bottom, these little bars. Two, 3, 4, 5. Some pretty good air on that last one there. And the first one, let's see here. The first setting, so it has 6 total settings. One is a sporadic. I thought it was shorting out or something, but it's not. That's actually one of the settings where it gives you a blast of cool air, and then it stops, and it gives you another blast of cool air. So that's pretty cool. As we can see, it's going on and off there. So that's nice. So this can be pretty much however set up you want on there. If you want it blowing on you like that, or you can set it up like this in its little stand perfectly. Very nice and convenient. If you have a PC or something, you can plug this right in there. It's not very loud at all. And as we can see, we have the ports on the side. We can charge our phone with this as well, if necessary. Got my phone at 90% right now. So if I just plug this in here. And is that the charging one, or is the USB-A is the charging one? It looks like it's the USB-A, so I can plug that in there. Okay, there we go. I'll plug it in, and it gives me that little thing. Make sure the cable and charger are properly connected. Hit OK, but up in the corner, you can see that it is charging up there. So that's cool. Nice addition to be able to take this camping or something like that, or to a sports event. Somewhere you need a nice little fan, but you can also charge your phone in a pinch if necessary. So I like that this is quiet and versatile. You can put it pretty much anywhere, and it stands there. And this little stand here looks pretty cool as well. And you can face it pretty much any way that you want. That locks into place at that level. And very quiet fan. Also puts out a decent amount of air, but it's not going to disturb. Like I don't know if you guys can even hear that with my microphone, but it's putting out some pretty good air here. My hair isn't really going to be able to blow around, I don't think. Got some product in there, but there's that. You can see it's blowing. Pretty impressive, actually. This comes in a couple different colors, and this is a handy little fan, actually. Yeah, pretty impressed. I like that. It has a little power indicator there as well, so you can see how many how much charge is left on there. And when it folds up, you can just put it in this tiny little area, put it in a backpack or something like that, take it camping, and you're gonna have some nice portable air there. So anyways, my friends, great little fan for different various purposes, whether you're at your office or camping or whatever. Works really good. Thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. I hope it's helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see you all next time.